Good afternoon, viewers. This is Mario the EE Get It Done. Today I am going to remove my steering wheel for my 2011 S550 just for that one. I'm gonna replace it by that one, which is better than the one that I had, as you can see. To do that job, you will need either a T30 with a socket or that one. You will need a H9 and a pick. I already unscrew my two T30. Before you do anything, you have to disconnect the battery. Leave it disconnected for at least 10 minutes until all those power has been drained from the system, and then removing the airbag. As you can see, mine already unscrewed. Yeah, and you will need the H9 for this one. You will need to disconnect that connector for the airbag. That will be 3 of them. Stay tuned. In order to do that, you need to take that pick, feed it underneath of that one, and lift it up. Do the same thing, and then you pull it out. Stay tuned. 3 of my connectors have been disconnected. Now I'm gonna take this out of my way. As you can see, I just removed my bolt, and I said earlier this is a H9. I'm sorry, my apology. This is a H10. Stay tuned. All right, as you can see, there are 2 marks, one to the right and one to the left. Be careful when we're gonna put it back to put it the same way. All right, as you can see, viewers, both of my lines have been aligned the way that I wanted it to be. Be careful to do yours the same way. Stay tuned. Now my H10 bolt has been in. Stay tuned. Now this connector has been connected. This connector has been connected, and both of those connectors from the airbag have been connected. Stay tuned. Finally, my old steering wheel has been replaced by this one, which is better, and my 210 bolt on the back have been tied up. Thank you for watching. That was Mario the EE Get It Done, and I will see you in the next video.